Hello and welcome to this video about Node API Connector, which is a Notion app that allows you to sync all your data to Notion. So you can get data from multiple locations, for example, YouTube, Mailchimp, Stripe, Shopify, Google APIs, and even more. And from there, you can immediately import this into your favorite Notion database. And you can also schedule it and create really cool databases. And the nice thing about this is that you can actually build websites on top of this. So it's like a low-code or no-code database solution where you can immediately extract data from certain locations, maybe do a little filtering or some adjustments, and then you can display this for internal company dashboards or also for just creating websites. So for example, you can export your Shopify sales data into Notion and get a company dashboard that way. If we take a look at the pricing, we can see that you can get started for free, but then it scales up to $111 per month for enterprise customers. So I think there's definitely a lot of use cases for this tool and can help to automate a lot of tasks. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more and have a great day ahead. Thank you.